Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Frame in Facebook on mobile. First, let's go into the Facebook app. Once in the app, you'll tap on your profile pic at the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to tap on the camera icon on your profile pic. Then you'll tap on Select Profile Picture. And from here, you'll select the profile picture that you would like to use. For example, this one right here. Then you're going to see the option Frames. You're going to tap on that. And from here, you can select any one of these frames. You can tap on See All. And you can scroll through. Also, if you would like to use flags, for example, a flag of your country. For example, if I should type in Jamaica, as you can see right there, then I'll simply tap on it and I can use the Jamaica flag. And you can see right there, that's the frame with the Jamaican flag. Then you will tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.